In 2026, everyone is looking for non-toxic cookware. But for most safe pans, the egg test is where the marketing meets a sticky reality. Most green labels are just marketing. At Wade Media Labs, we wanted to find out which PTFE-free coatings actually provide a professional-grade release without the hidden chemicals. We tested 15 leading non-toxic pans through a standardized egg release marathon. We measured surface tension and coating degradation over 100 high heat cycles to simulate a year of daily breakfast. The results were disappointing. 12 out of the 15 pans lost their non-stick properties within the first 30 cycles. A safe pan that sticks is just a future addition to a landfill. The difference is in the ceramic matrix. The highest performing non-toxic pans use a high-density, multi-layer mineral bonding that resists micro-pitting and thermal shock. Only 3 safe pans completed our audit with their performance verified and their coatings intact. These winners prove that you don't have to sacrifice performance for health. Non-toxic cooking should be a standard, not a compromise. In the workshop of the kitchen, material integrity is the ultimate health benefit. See the full chemical audits, the surface tension logs, and the 3 non-toxic champions at cookwarescout.com. Look for the 2026 non-toxic guide.